Niagara Sleep Solution Ultra Soft Queen Size Mattress Topper Rayon-derived-from-bamboo Pillow Top is a home and kitchen product with the listing built around a specific daily use need. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied catalog lists Ultra Soft Niagara Queen Mattress Topper is made from rayon derived from bamboo fiber and fits mattresses 8 to 20 inches deep. The mattress topper. Another listed detail is cloud-like sleep. This queen mattress topper adds an extra cushion to provide full body support. The back support mattress topper queen is also C. The product record also notes easy to use. The cooling bed pad has a deep pocket, is easy to put on, and has extra length stretchy sides for thick mattresses. The puffy mat tray. For everyday ownership, review the included items, dimensions, and any compatibility notes in the supplied listing before ordering. The main limitation is fit. Catalog features do not replace checking the exact variant, space, power, or compatibility requirements for your situation. Overall, Niagara Sleep Solution Ultra Soft Queen Size Mattress Topper Rayon derived from bamboo pillow top is best considered by buyers whose needs directly match the supported catalog features. Shoppers needing a different size, configuration, or specialized use case should compare alternatives.